students, how are you? Welcome to our online class. In your previous class, you learnt about rounding up numbers. Today we shall discuss about Roman numerals. Okay, note it down. Roman numerals. First, Hindu-Arabic means the number which we use daily. These are called Hindu-Arabic. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have written up to 10. And if I will write this number in the letter form, this is called Roman numerals. 1 for I, 2 for II, 3 for triple I, 4 for IV, 5 for V, 6 for VI, 7 for V double I, 8 for V triple I, 9 for IX and 10 for X. Okay, when we write this number in the letter form, we call it as Roman numbers or Roman numerals. Okay, so before starting Roman numerals, you have to follow or you have to remember some points. When we write or when we use a Roman numerals, we have to write all the letters in capital letters. Okay, and there is no Roman numerals for 0. And the letters I, V, X, L, C, D and M are called the 7 basic letters in Roman numerals. Okay, and no letter can be written up to 4 times. We have to write some letters maximum 3 times. Okay, for example, I, X, C and M. These 4 letters are used maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. And the 6th number 4, 40, 400. And you have to remember this 6th number 9, 90 and 900. This 6th number, when you write this 6th number, then you have to subtract. So I am writing your subtraction. Okay. Now look at the number 4. Where I will in 4, can I write I up to 4 times? No, it is correct. It is wrong or incorrect. Okay. For 4, we have to subtract, means 4 equal to 5 minus 1. Means the letter for 5 is V and 1 for I. And when we subtract, the smaller number comes first. Or we have to write the smaller number or smaller letter first, then the bigger one. Okay, that's why the Roman numerals for 4 is IV. Okay, in this way we can, and the rest numbers you can add all the number according to its expanded form. Okay. Now take an example. Suppose I am taking here 18. 18 means expand it, 10 plus 8. Okay, here I am adding both the number. 10 means x and 8 means v triple I. So when you add the letter, so then write it from left to right. Then its name is x v triple I. Okay. Suppose we have to write 25. 20 means 10 plus 10 means in 20 we have to write double x. 20 plus 5. In 20 you have to write double x plus v. Okay. Then the Roman number is double x v. Okay. In this way we can write 37. Suppose 37 means 30 plus 7. 30 means, before you know that x can be used maximum 3 times. Then 10 plus 10 plus 10 means x plus x plus x plus in 7 v double I. So for 37 triple x v double I, and in 40, remember that point, we have to subtract. So when we have to find the Roman number of 40, then we have to subtract 10 from 50, means 50 minus 10. And you know the value of we use the letter L for 50. Then L minus x. Here x is the smaller one or smaller number. So we have to write, when we subtract the letter or the number, we have to write the smaller letter first or smaller value first. Or from right to left, we have to write from right to left. XL. Okay. In this way we can write 48. 48 means 40 plus 8. There is no need to add like this every time. For understanding, for proper understanding, I am using this like this. Okay. For 40 XL, you have to write XL, and for 8 you have to write V triple I. So you are adding, then write it from left to right. XL V triple I for 48. Okay. Suppose we have to write 59. 59 means 50 plus 9. And the letter for 50 is L and 9 for IX. So LIX. Okay. Then the next example is, suppose 64. 64 means 60 plus 4. You can write 60 plus 4, or you can write 50 plus 10 plus 4. Okay. $50 plus 10 plus 4. You can write in this way, or you can write direct 60 plus 4 also. 50 means L, X and IV. L, X, IV for 64. Suppose 70, we have to write 70, then 50 plus 20, or 60 plus 10. Okay. 50 for L and 20 for double X. So The Roman number is LXX for 70. Okay. Suppose we have to write 80 means 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30, or you can write, or you can use 70 plus 10 also for 80. L plus triple X means LXXX for 80. Okay. If we know 80, then we can write 82 easily. 80 plus 2. The name for 80 is LXXX. So write LXXX here and 2 for II. So the Roman numeral is LXXXII. Okay. So let's take another example. Let's take another example. 90. Recall that I have written from the earlier that in 440, 400 and 990, 900 you have to subtract. So when we write 90, then we subtract 10 from 100. Means the letter used for 100 is C and 10 for X. And subtraction is, you are doing subtraction here, then you have to write XC. Okay. We can write 99 also. 90 plus 9. 90 means XC, 9 means IX. Then XCIX. And the letter for 100 is C. If you know up to 1 to 100, then you can write up to many numbers. For example, if you have to write 168, then expand it. 100 plus 60 plus 8 means C. In for 60, LX and V triple I. C LX V triple I. Okay. For 200, we can use C 2 times. 100 plus 100. C plus C means double C. Okay. We can write 298 means 200 plus 90 plus 8. CC plus XC. Look here, for 90 you have already written XC and V triple I. CC, XC, V triple I. Okay. For 300 we can use 100 plus 100 plus 100 means triple C. Suppose we have to write 314 means 300 plus 10 plus 4. If you expand a number like this, then it will become easy for you. CCC plus X plus IV. Then the Roman numeral is triple C XIV. Okay. For 400 we have to remember that rule. For 400 we have to subtract 100 from 500 means 500 minus 100. The letter used for 500 is D. Whatever letter you are using or you will write, it should be in capital letter. Okay. D minus C means CD. The value of 400 is CD. Okay. Let's take another example. Suppose we have to write 624. 600 means 500 plus 100. The letter for 500 is D and 100 is 100 for C. So when we write 600 plus 20 plus 4. When we write 600, we will use DC, means 500 plus 100 equal to 600, plus XX for 20 and IV for 4. Okay, DC, XX, IV. If we write 700, then it will like this, 500 for D and 200 for double C, D double C. Okay, suppose we have to write 820. For 800, we can use 500 plus 300. 500 means D, or for 300 triple C, D triple C and XX, D triple C, XX. Okay, suppose we have to write 900. For 900, recall that rule, we can subtract 100 from 1000. The letter for 1000 is M and for 100 is C. So CM. The Roman numerals for 900 is CM. Then we can write 995. 900. For your practice, I am writing this. Okay. If you know it properly, then you can write the direct answer. Plus 5. For 900 CM, we will use CM. 90 for XC and for 5 V. CM XC V. Okay. For 1000, we can use M. Only M. Okay, in this way you can write many numbers by using this type of rule. Okay, let's our next topic is when the number is from Hindu Arabic. No, when the number is in Roman numerals and we have to write or convert it into Hindu Arabic. Okay. Our next topic is how to convert Roman to Hindu Arabic. Suppose CC, XL, IV is given, and we have to convert this Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic. CC means what? 200. XL means 40. Or you can write like this also. 200 plus XL means, you can group this letter. XL means 40 and IV means 4. So add all the number 244. Okay. Suppose CM IV. CM means 900 and IV means 4. So 904. Suppose D, C, L, B is given. DC means What? L means 50 plus 5. So the number will be 655. In this way, we can convert the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic. Okay, and we can compare the Roman numerals by using less than, greater than, or equal to symbol. Okay, I hope you got it properly or you understood it properly. Okay, complete all the, you can now complete all your numbers from the exercise. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.